Brookfield Engineering, the world leader in viscosity measurement for over 75 years, is proud to introduce the latest in its line of instrumentation, the Powder Flow Tester, or PFT. The easy-to-use powder flow tester is designed to quickly and accurately analyze the flow characteristics of powders discharging from gravity-feed hoppers. The cutting-edge technology used in this well-designed instrument is backed by 5 years of development effort in cooperation with the Wolfson Center for Bulk Solids Handling Technology at the University of Greenwich, Chatham Maritime in Kent, United Kingdom. 4 industrial partners in England also assisted in the development of this instrument, as well as the testing of several prototypes: Kerry Ingredients, United Biscuits, Cadbury's, and GSK's Food Division. Powder flow problems are oftentimes dealt with by hammering the hopper. This brute force method is hardly scientific and never addresses or solves the powder flow problem. Brookfield's new powder flow tester allows for quick and easy scientific analysis of powder flow behavior. This takes the guesswork out of trying to anticipate potential flow problems based only on operating experience with specific individual powders. Using small amounts of sample test material, Brookfield's powder flow tester predicts the potential for erratic flow behavior to include specific dimensional values for cohesive arch formation and rat hole diameter. These types of common powder flow problems have always existed when discharging powder. Powders can jam in hoppers and feeders for various reasons: new incoming raw materials, changing humidity and temperature conditions, incorrect flow additives, new powder formulations, or just inappropriate equipment design for the type of powder being processed. Most hoppers operate in core flow. This means the last material stored in a hopper can be the first out. The material stored first will therefore be the last to exit. This situation can lead to erratic flow as the powder level in the hopper reduces. The material in the bottom section may experience too much consolidation, causing it not to flow. Brookfield's powder flow tester has the sensitivity to identify this type of problem before it occurs. Brookfield's solution is to fill a trough with 263 cubic centimeters of powder and employ a shear cell technique to compress and then shear the material until it flows against itself. Using the Powder Flow Pro software, the user selects the type of test they wish to run. Typically, this will be a flow function test. During this fully automated flow function test, the powder is compacted at different compressive loads and sheared until it flows. A flow function curve is generated showing how easy flowing or cohesive the powder is or has become. Brookfield's Powder Flow Pro software will also supply critical data on arching and rat hole dimensions. These data points help the user ensure that the opening of the hopper is sized correctly for powder formulations to flow properly. Bulk density and wall friction information are also easily acquired. A time consolidation test is supplied with the software to evaluate powder compaction over periods of time. It's important to note that the powder flow tester can be run by anyone. No lengthy training is involved. This convenient instrument can help solve a powder flow problem before it happens. Equipment manufacturers can design the proper hopper or feeder configuration based on known parameters. Powder processors can apply the correct amount of flow additive based on flow function test data. Existing powder flow problems are quickly diagnosed and solved, eliminating costly downtime. New formulations can be quickly analyzed for accurate powder flow characteristics. Powder flow issues due to changing temperature or humidity issues can be identified and solved before they arise again. This single instrument can perform a multitude of tasks: a quality control check for incoming materials, an R&D tool to benchmark new formulations, an analyzer for recurring flow problems, for design and implementation of hoppers and feeders to ensure manufacturing downtime is kept to a minimum. All of these applications can be handled by the powder flow tester and the Powder Flow Pro software. Backed by Brookfield's world-renowned reputation for quality instrumentation, the affordable, compact powder flow tester is now available for general industrial use. Manufacturers of foods, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, personal care products, cosmetics, paints and coatings, to name a few, can all benefit through the use of the powder flow tester. Equipment manufacturers for hoppers, bins, silos, feeders, chutes now have a helpful tool to improve the design of their equipment. Brookfield's new powder flow tester is fast, reliable, simple to operate, affordable, and ready to revolutionize the powder flow industry. Contact Brookfield Engineering for more information on the industry-changing powder flow tester.